calling the Tucson Procurement Office.
Good morning, City Procurement.
Hi, I have a question for you. I was wondering about the American Traffic Solutions contract. I read that it expired August 14th, so I'm wondering what's going on with that contract.
What, do you have a number for that, please?
I think I do. It's 071084.
Okay, hold on just a moment.
Thanks.
Okay, the contract officer is Dan Longenecker. If you hold the line just a moment, I'll
Okay,
transfer.
and let me ask you something. Are you there?
Procurement, this is Dan.
Hi, Dan. My name's Stacy Newsom, and I have a question for you. I was looking at the city council minutes, and I saw that the American Traffic Solutions contract expired on August 14th. So I'm wondering what's going on with that contract.
It is an annual contract, and there are annual renewals left on it. We were in the process of obtaining approvals to offer another one.
Okay, so does that mean, so there's no contract that's active right now, is that right?
Whether the contract term has expired, yes.
Uh-huh. So how can they keep running the cameras if there's no valid contract?
That I can't answer.
I mean, because it expired, what, August 14th?
Yes, that sounds right. I don't have the material in front of me, but...
Okay. And when did they plan on renewing that contract?
Well, we would offer a renewal amendment to extend it, renew it as soon as we have the appropriate internal approvals.
What does internal approvals mean?
That means that right now any expenditure of $10,000 or more has to be pre-approved by the city manager's office.
Uh-huh.
And since they would be spending more than that during the annual renewal period, they're required to get the city manager's written authorization before they can proceed.
And so why, if the contract expired on the 14th, I mean, why wasn't anything done about it beforehand?
Well, police department was notified prior to that it was up for renewal and the process to renew it.
And so,
notified by my department, so.
Oh, okay. So what did the police department need to do to get that contract? You know, what did they have to do? Go to the city council, or who did they have to?
No, they don't have to go to the city council. They would be required for their, the police chief himself to put in a written request to the city manager's office to have the expenditure approved, and once they do, we would just issue a contract amendment to renew it. It's pretty routine from a procurement standpoint, but before we can make the offer, they need to have the approval.
Oh, okay. And the expenditure, you said it has to be more than $10,000 or something like that?
Right. Well, that's a city manager policy during the budget issues, that any expenditure, regardless of, it doesn't matter what the purpose is, any expenditure of that amount or more.
So then then it's more than $10,000, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So they should have followed through on that.
Yes, and to my knowledge, they are in the process of doing that.
Okay. So then what do you think? I mean, what about all those tickets that were issued since there's no contract?
That I would not be able to answer. It sounds more like a legal question, so.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.